In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the flickerings coming out of your UGC content when you use SORA 2 to create those videos. So one of the biggest problem with SORA 2 is that the video looks very realistic for generating UGC AI content. However, if you pay attention to the footage, you're going to see a lot of those flickerings and artifacts. And that's going to just give away that the video is made by AI. So what we're going to do is we're going to head over to Hexfield. And depending on if you have the subscription or not, I highly recommend checking this out. I'm going to leave that link in the description. So you're going to go over to Edit. And then you're going to go over to Upscale. And right here, you're going to drop in that SORA 2 output. And here, once it has been uploaded, you're going to go over to the right-hand side. You're going to click on the drop-down menu, and you're going to pick SORA 2 Enhancer. What this would do is going to remove the flickerings, and it's going to stabilize the footage. And when you upscale this, it's going to take about takes up 2 credits. And this is an extremely useful tool if you're using SORA 2 to generate a lot of AI UGC content for TikTok or for your ads. And once you finish it, here's the original with a lot of flickerings. And here is the final output. Okay, and this is exactly how you can remove artifacts and flickerings inside your SORA 2 output.